हेलो गाइस, कैसे आप लोग। वेलकम करता हुआ आप लोग अपना चैनल एक्जोटिक पेट्स एसोसिएशन में। आज जो वीडियो है ये एक वीडियो एक ग्रे पैरट के ऊपर है, जिसने अपना ओनर का मर्डर को अपनी आंखों से देखा था। और उसके बाद जो मतलब मरने से पहले ओनर जो मतलब बोलता है कि डोंट शूट मी। तो पुलिस के सामने भी ये पैरट मतलब ऐसे ही मतलब बोल रहा था। तो यहाँ पे मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि सही में ये पैरॉट अगर एक बार कुछ सुने तो इसको मतलब मिमिक कर सकता है या नहीं। मेरे को तो नहीं लगता कि मतलब ये बात बिल्कुल सच है, क्योंकि एक या दो बार कुछ आवाज़ सुने, कुछ सेंटेंस सुने तो कोई भी पैरॉट उसको फॉलो नहीं कर सकता। हर बार बोलते बोलते ऑलमोस्ट 100-200 बार तो मतलब सुनना पड़ेगा, तब जाके इसको मतलब वो याद रखता है, फिर बोल सकता है। तो आप लोग वीडियो देखिए और खुद ही मतलब डिसाइड करें कैसा है, क्यों है, सही है या गलत है।
Durham was shot 5 times in his home in May 2015. His wife Glenna survived a bullet wound to the head. Now she's identified in police reports as a suspect in a murder and attempted suicide.
He was there to see it all, and he heard it. It imprinted in his brain. He can't let it go. And that's awful.
Bud won't perform in front of an audience. While we didn't catch much on our camera, we did hear him utter an expletive off camera. Is it at all possible that he could have heard it on television?
Well, maybe, but he's using Marty's voice.
The Newaygo County prosecutor says he has no plans to use the parrot in court. That's no surprise to a local legal expert, Muskegon attorney Michael Walsh. He says there's no way to prove what that bird is mimicking.
How did it get there? And there's no reliable way of making that determination. That you can't rule out that the bird witnessed a homicide or that the bird witnessed something on TV.
I mean, I don't think he would be able to help the case, but I think it puts, I don't know how to describe it. It puts the emotion out there, like, you know, there's a dead man.
Ken Coker reporting. The prosecutor has told us that he's waiting for state police to wrap up the investigation. He expects to make a decision on charges in 2 or 3 weeks.